Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at our positions. We're going to take a look at pound US dollar. At the start of the week we did a pound US dollar the trend is your friend video, and I just want to kind of jump on the back of that again and explain what's going on with the pound and how that trend is starting to sort of play out. So we can see here lower lows, lower highs. This is what we explained, and we were looking for a pullback into sort of this 125 level here, and then start looking for that bearishness to come into play. Well, last night we had that bearish daily close. That to me is a sign that we could see a continuation going into today. So we placed a limit order with our stop loss above the daily high, target these lows here. Price has not actually come back and retested our area of resistance, unfortunately. Again, missed out very narrowly by spread, and unfortunately for us it hasn't got us into the move. However, if we go down into the 4-hour time frame, price is starting to make all the right noises. So we had this sort of move in here, the market came back down, rallied, came back down, rallied. We've then dropped through, formed a new low, and now the market is moving sideways. So what we would anticipate here is the fact that we did have a slight, obviously, pullback in this current move here, where the market has pushed to the upside. Are we starting to see again that move down now? So what I'm looking for is a nice new close below that low. We haven't been triggered, so I'm going to leave that in for now, just in case price does rally and then drop to the downside. If it doesn't by this evening, then I'll just knock this trade on the head. But other than that, if the market now starts to make new low lows, we can still look for the continuation on pound, because the trend on this 4-hour time frame is starting to line up with our daily time frame expectations. So that's what I really like to look at, combining the daily time frame sentiment, which is that pullback into that area, 4-hour trend, where's those areas of support and resistance. Now we obviously pointed this area out. Like I said, we missed out on it by a matter of a couple of pips, unfortunately, but price is now kind of moving a bit sideways. But I am expecting the market to continue to move lower on pound US dollar. So we can look for further opportunities there. Just to discuss some of our open positions. So obviously dollar CAD got stopped out, unfortunately, because now price is moving to the upside. So if you re-entered that position, then great. Dollar Swiss also stopped out, came above these highs here where our stop loss was. You would have actually been triggered on the first position if that one was still in and in a little bit of profit. Aussie US dollar is still in. It came and pushed to the upside. It came to the highs of this range that we're starting to see on Aussie US dollar between these sort of 2 points through here, and the market found some resistance once again and is now dropping to the downside. So if you left this trade on, you're in a nice little bit of profit at the moment. Just want to see a little bit more out of this market. I just want to see some real lower lows starting to form, because then that'll give us the opportunity to trade again and get on the downside of the market and see if we can break through. We had this nice change in cycle, but then after that the market has just moved sideways for us. So I want to see a really nice breakdown here, with our targets being these previous structure points. So keep that in mind for your trading opportunities. Like I said, pound really setting up nicely. I quite like this opportunity here on the pound, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.